I made a post on Reddit, it went viral, and I literally got the director of data science to talk to me and invite me to Canada to work with him. You want things that are hard. Like, for example, Reddit, it's super hard to get a viral post. But once you get it, there's a huge amount of potential there because you're going to have, like, I think I told this story. I made a post on Reddit, it went viral, and I literally got the director of data science to talk to me and invite me to Canada to work with him, like for an interview and all that. But the thing is, how could I get that if not for the internet? Or like, I couldn't just message the guy and say, hey, are you looking for internship? So I made like this Reddit post. I prepared it for Reddit. It's based on my product. So my main goal was, I'm going to make this Reddit post. I'm going to try to get some upvotes. And at the end, I'm going to link my project. And since my project is free, like Reddit is cool with free things. And so I'm going to like generate some leads. That was my main purpose with this post. However, it started to go very viral. And so I started to get many proposals. And so off this Reddit post, like in full transparency, I've made more than $10,000 off this Reddit post. Like, this is like, all in all the values of the deals that I got from a single Reddit post were like over $10,000. And I like, the post started growing super large, and I got like a message and saying, hey, Senior Noodles, which is my username, I'm like X, I'm director of data science at Shopify. We're really curious about your project. You have some like scrappy way of thinking. Would you be interested in an internship on Canada, like with Shopify for data science? And I was like, well, this is pretty crazy. And then I got the second message from the engineering manager saying the exact same thing. Oh, look, like, this post has been going like viral on our like headquarters, like everyone's talking about it. Do you want to take like an internship here? And like, at the time, like, nothing happened because I'm not really a technical person. So I just said, like, look, guys, I'm not really a math person. So like, I'm not sure I would adjust well to the position, but I definitely appreciate a lot your interest. But it's crazy, like, it's absurd.
I definitely see the, like, you mentioned being cynical on Reddit as well. I see that here. Here are my boring findings as the title.
Oh, yes. I knew, it's one of those things, like, I knew these people would take this. It's just so cynical. It's like, why would the guy say this? And yeah, people like this.
I like how you really fit the vibe of the community, because Reddit's weird. Like, every subreddit is almost its own website, but here you've made a post that really fits the vibe of our entrepreneur subreddit, and then the success.
But actually, the funny thing is, I actually didn't get like a lot of visitors. Like, full transparency. Off this post, I got like 800 visitors, which I thought, for a post that gets to like, it was at one point, it was the biggest, like the most upvoted post of the month. And I thought, like, whoa, I should get like a lot more visitors, right? I was expecting like, I don't know, 5,000, 10,000, but I didn't get a lot of them. And for that reason, like, Reddit is good, but it's definitely like, I made my value on the DMs rather than the traffic.
It's interesting that even with less traffic than you hope for, it was still good targeted traffic that led to revenue for you.
Yes, a lot of marketing people actually leverage this. So a lot of marketing people will use channels that are very close. Like, for example, I know a lot of people who use their own Facebook profile as kind of like a marketing channel, because Facebook prioritizes posts from profiles now. And so what they do is, like, they just add a bunch of like prospecting clients, and then they just post on their profiles. And of course, like, this is not scalable, but if you have like a business that really fits those people, this might be very profitable. I know like some people are making like, 50,000, 100,000 per month just doing this, which is absurd, but it works.